As one of the most important part of a house, kitchen cabinet deserves nothing but the best. And BFP can provide all kinds of options for you to choose from. The cabinet doors is lacquer glosses finish with 6-time painting. Here is a round stainless steel countertop integrated, matching with the high-pressure laminate glosses panel. All the accessory and hardware are soft closing.
Let me show you what's new in our collection this year. Banquet dining table. Ottoman. This minibar is actually a customer solution we made for hotel projects. Stainless steel frame, natural marble top, luxury and stainable. Outdoor woven furniture is all hand knitted.
Every great building starts with great windows, and here's how we deliver.
Multiple window styles designed for different residential and commercial project needs.
The 102 series Australian standard only window. Flexible window chain lock. Black mesh. Pre-install plywood review. Durable, easy to use, and worry-free to install. The 80 series NFRC tilt and turn window. German hardware. Triple insulated glass. Stainless steel mesh. For safety, soundproofing, and energy efficiency. Cost-effective, durable, and made for every project. Find your perfect windows at BFP.
Yeah.